If you want to turn on or turn off shared endorsements in ads on Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can control whether your activity and profile information may be used for shared endorsements. This is a simple privacy setting, but it's one a lot of people miss, so let's go through it carefully. And if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google account settings, where you can manage your personal information, security options, and privacy preferences. After the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. If you use more than one account, double-check this first so you don't change the wrong settings. On the left-hand side of the page, look for People and Sharing and click on it. This section contains options related to your profile visibility, sharing, and how Google uses your account information across different services. Once you're inside People and Sharing, you'll need to scroll all the way down. Keep going until you find the setting labeled Shared Endorsements in Ads. This is the option you're looking for. If you want to turn shared endorsements off, simply disable this option. If you want to turn it on, enable the setting instead. Google may show the switch as on or off or as a checkbox depending on how the page appears, but the action is the same. Just toggle it to match the setting you want. After you change it, make sure the new setting is saved and applied. In most cases, the change happens right away, so you won't need to do anything else. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn shared endorsements in ads on or off in Google Chrome through your Google account settings. This is a great way to manage your privacy and decide how your account is used in ad-related recommendations. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.